The results were outstanding, so everyone felt satisfied. Outstanding. Time on it.
Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Oh, you two girls were outstanding.
So in this case, the results were very good. Outstanding بتعمل صبو مالتي. إن عسر شعب very good, very bad, very small, very big نابنا. عسر شعب very كمرقم نعنك تكدخل. ما أنا عنها كيلات كم تلنا دخل الكالات. لو معنت إسران عزبينا. So هذا مثل جنبه. Very good. أكن very good حنتن تارينات إحنا outstanding. The example, the results were outstanding, so everyone felt satisfied. The result with ما وزيد. يعني هون أنا تمرتي هون نشرح whatever it is توزيد بتعمل صبو بلوت لازم نبرة كل سب عجيبه satisfied satisfaction عجبة مالتي. The results were outstanding وزيد بتعمل صبو ويبلوت لازم نبرة everyone felt satisfied. لذي حنتين very good كتكال ندخل outstanding. عليتي superb. Superb مالت very good مالتي basically. Gonna search have very good superb نتكو.
This interior, it's superb.
These are all superb animals.
Superb.
For example, the meal was superb, so we enjoyed every bite. meal مجبو مالتي معدي. بتعمي طعم بتعمي بلوت صبوق سلازنبرة we enjoyed every bite. استمعنا every bite كلاسو مالتي نفسه كيف كلاسو باهيلاتنا دسيلاتنا بالعناية قلب قالوجن احترابيلنا استمعنا هنو نغرينا. لذا أكن very good هانتي outstanding قاليتها superb. جزين دراي مالتها يكونن. أربعة حمش استفعل لي قالتها له. جن تنكأن ندقاقمن ككلتنا قبرنا عن عزابينا من مس example ها عندها ترقمنا عن كيدنا مالتي. So we're done with very good. نبتها عليه تنخيد. Very bad. أكن عسرش very bad مارك أنت كنت تكنخيد. Terrible.
Is that so terrible?
This is not good for your health.
Terrible.
Yeah.
Terrible.
For example, the weather was terrible, so we stayed inside. كنا تتغير بتعامي حماس لزنبرة we stayed inside. وشتي جزاز الحين I was أنا. inside ويدما indoors ممكن بنخلينا كله inside or indoors وشتي جزا مالتي. كنا تتغير حماس لزنبرة أزي حماس لزنبرة جزاز الحين I was أنا. so حنتي terrible خليتها awful. awful.
That's awful.
Awful. Uh-oh.
For example, the conditions were awful, so it caused delays. The conditions كنا مالتي كنا تتغير ديو تي أسرار حديو تي means of transportation دينا يزوهان أسرح زي قدس. The conditions were awful. تعمل ما أصل لازم نفرط it caused delay مدونو جاي مالتي. أشرحنا مدونو جاي غير لنا وي مدونو جاي فاتير لنا مالتي. قلت ترينا لنا مالتي. أنتي terrible خليتها awful. سانسيتي very big, huge.
Huge. A huge problem.
For example, the house is huge, so sometimes it feels empty. The house is huge. تجزا بتاع عبيو بزح rooms الله. So sometimes it feels empty. تروح وين يسمع كامزي نايت موا feeling يفتر لك. So حنتني very big تكالنا تقل huge. عليتي massive.
Massive, right?
For example, the project is massive, so it will take months to complete. اتي project اتسرح تجميل لولو بتاع معبس لزغن نهودا أوارح كدليو. رابعيتي very small. So I can very small كنت هندك نخل. حنتي tiny.
Well, it's a tiny 2-bedroom, but you could easily make it a big one.
This tiny little brush.
For example, the room is tiny, so it feels crowded. تا room نيش يسزغن تحنسا crowded مالت كم تستجبت أنا قروي على هذا تبلكا بيكا بوزحي سابات حنت وطان تحت أكيوم is crowded بالمالتي. سلازي نيش يسزغنت ولا تنورت كده crowded كم نيش يشفلا ويدما على هذا تبلكا عينت feeling يفدرلكا. عليتي minuscule.
I had the tiniest, sort of minuscule,
minuscule progress every day of your life.
For example, the difference is minuscule, so it's hard to notice. The difference is minuscule. تفللي. minuscule says one, but English says one. It's hard to notice. تفلتو تستبللو بزح أي كالني وي أتسقامي. لذي حنتي tiny رينا لنا عليتي minuscule. Number 5, very hungry. instead of saying very hungry, how we can say I'm starving.
Let's go because I am starving.
Starving.
I'm starving, so I need to eat some food immediately. I'm starving. I'm very hungry ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ሓንቲ very hungry ክትቃልና ትኽእል starving ካልአይቲ famished.
I'm famished.
Richard. I'm famished.
Famished one similar meaning له. For example, he was famished, so he ordered a big meal. ብጣዕሚ ጠሚዩ ስለ ዝነበረ ጥሜት ሞይቱ ስለ ዝነበረ he ordered a big meal. ዓብይ ምግቢ ኣዚዙ ክብድ በለ ብዙሕ orders ኣዚዙ ማለት እዩ Okay, the next one, very tired. ስለዚ ኣክንዲ I'm very tired. ነታ very tired ክትቃልና ትኽእል ቃል እንታይ ኣላ ሓንቲ exhausted. Exhausted.
Exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
ተዳኺመ ሓይሊ ፀንቂቐ ኢልና ብትግርኛ ብዙሕ መግለፂ ለና እንግሊሽ ከዓ ሲሚላር ከምኡ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ I'm exhausted ክንብል ንኽእል ኢና For example, she was exhausted, so she went to bed early. ብጣዕሚ ተዳኺማ ስለ ዝነበረት she went to bed early. ቀልጢፋ ደቂሳ ስለዚ ሓንቲ exhausted ካልአይታ drained.
I am drained.
I am drained.
drain ቃል በቃሉ ከምዚ ክዘርቕ ከሎ ማለት እዩ ተፀሚቑ ተወዲኡ ሓይለይ ክትብል I'm drained ክትብል ትኽእል ኢኻ For example, he felt drained, so he took a break. ክሰርሕ ፀኒሑ ብጣዕሚ ስለ ዝተዳኸመ ከምዚ ሓይሉ ኤነርጂ ዝተፀንቀቐ ኮይኑ ስለ ዝተሰምዖ He took a break. ሓንሳ ኣዕሪፉ ስለዚ instead of very tired we can say drained or exhausted. Okay, the next one, very happy. Happy حጉስ ምዃኑ we all know the word happy ብጣዕሚ ዝተሓጒስካ ግን I'm very happy ክንብል I'm delighted ክንብል ንኽእል ኢና The first word is delighted.
I would be delighted.
Fortunately, I'm delighted to announce.
For example, she was delighted, so she couldn't stop smiling. بጣዕሚ ተሓጒሳ ስለ ዝነበረት ፍሽኽ ምባል ተቋርፅ ኣይከኣለትን ስለዚ instead of saying very happy we can say delighted. One option ካልአይታ እንታይ ኣላትና thrilled. Thrilled.
Louis was thrilled when he heard you were coming in.
I'm just so thrilled for Cassidy.
He was thrilled, so he shared the news immediately. Thrilled ማለት ከም the same ብጣዕሚ ተሓጒሱ ዝነበረ he shared the news immediately. እዚ ዝሕጎሶ ዜና ብቕፅበት ወይ ድማ ግዜ ከይወሰደ ትነይርና ኣዕሊልና delighted and thrilled. Okay, let's go to the next one. The last one is very angry. بتعمل تحرقه I can say instead of saying I'm angry he can say I'm very angry and instead of saying I'm very angry he or she can say I'm furious.
I'm furious with the studio.
Vanessa will be furious.
For example, she was furious so she raised her voice. بتعم حريقة تقولناكم حريقو نديدو نبلينا بتعم حريقة سنبرت she raised her voice عويلها زرب جميع raise مالت على علم بالموسى مالتي she was furious so she raised her voice بتعم حريقة سنبرت عويلها زرب جميع The second one, enraged. Enraged قال لك I'm furious بتعم حريقو مالتي
I'm enraged.
The very mention of money only enraged him further.
For example, he was enraged, so he refused to speak. حرق صوت بالسب شغله كزارب ديدلي كمعنا سب تخوين هجي طعم حريق سلز نبرة كاب مزراب تغطي ويدما سوق يلو حركانو يهزو he just stayed quiet. He was enraged. هذا كان very angry تقعنا غلط على فريقنا لنا. The first one was furious and the second one is enraged. إذا حسرت على فريقنا لنا كيلاتات كم سنة دخلنا once a week كم فيديوهات كزرقها ولا جمرت نخل ولا level 1 ولا level 2 إذا عندك كبد بالغلط اللي كنت كم جميرنا بزغنا professional setting خواتنا جو interview دي حالينا بزغنا سبنا علل كلنا كم جو قاعد كنت كم كلنا معنا كيلاتات يوم سلنا ماليش whatever we're doing we have more chance of succeeding. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.